Hi, you guys, it's your girl Kendra Moore, and nobody likes a funky breath, so I am going to show you how you can create your own breath freshener spritz using this little spritzer here that I got off of Amazon. Now, we're going to use essential oils. I'm using spearmint essential oil and cinnamon bark essential oil. You can use other essential oils such as lemon or ginger or peppermint, for example. Next, we're going to need water. I'm using spring water, and I poured some in this cup so I don't make a mess. I'm actually going to use this pipette since I'm using a portable size spritzer. So they're very easy to snap apart. You take the top off and then you separate the bottom from the pump part. And the bottom is where we're going to put in our water using the pipette. So I am using the pipette to draw out the water. And when you fill the bottom half of the tube, you want to make sure that you leave room for the essential oil, but also from when you put the top back on that you don't have spillage. So now that I put the water in there, next I'm going to add spearmint. Spearmint is actually a plant that produces essential oils. So I'm putting in a couple of drops. Next, what I will do is put in cinnamon bark. Now there is cinnamon bark essential oil and cinnamon leaf essential oil. I prefer using the cinnamon bark because that has a more pleasant taste. So cinnamon is a very strong oil. For that reason, I'm just putting in one drop. And then I'm going to put the little spritzer back together. The best thing about this recipe is that you can customize it however you want. And then once you have your oils in there, all you have to do is give it a gentle shake. And now your spritzer is ready to use. Now, I love this spritzer, especially because I can carry it with me with this small size. You can order larger sizes, but for my purse, this fits perfectly well.